Your job make you wonder if all your skills and experience just vanished overnight? Or worse, are you watching AI and automation take over while people with half your talent still land better opportunities faster? I'm Roy Prim, your niche profit strategist. This video is based on Niche Creation Mastery, my unique 3-book series on Amazon.com that goes beyond just finding a niche and shows you how to create and improve profitable niche products and services at zero cost. Right now, more people are realizing job security is an illusion, especially with AI. But income security through niche creation is not. Which pain hits you hardest right now? A. You can't figure out how to position your skills as a service. B. You're getting ghosted when pitching to clients. C. You're unsure how to stand out in your AI crowded industry. Drop A, B, or C in the comments. Tip 1. Skill Repurposing Formula. Don't reinvent yourself, repurpose yourself. Take one skill from your old job and reframe it as a solution for a specific audience. If you were an office manager, position yourself as a workflow efficiency consultant for home based teams. This is a fast bridge from ex employee to paid specialist and can land your first replacement paycheck clients doing what AI can't, understanding people and messy real world problems. Tip 2. Authority Micro Content Loop. Create bite sized videos or posts answering one burning question your ideal audience asks. Post consistently and repeat what works. These simple pieces of content become quiet salespeople that build authority and can bring in your first few clients because people follow humans they trust, not just AI tools. Tip 3. Transformation Tagline Technique. Write a tagline that sells the outcome, not your job title. Instead of freelance marketing consultant, say, helping small businesses turn message chaos into sales clarity. A strong transformation tagline justifies higher fees so you can replace your paycheck with fewer, better clients and positions you as the strategist who tells AI what to do, not the worker AI replaces. For example, after being laid off, Tanya, a project coordinator, used the skill repurposing formula to brand herself as a launch application coach for online course creators. Within 60 days, she replaced her salary with 3 retainer clients. Another example is David, a laid off truck driver who used the same thinking to launch a YouTube channel teaching beginners how to get into short haul logistics. His affiliate income now covers his monthly bills without driving a single mile. Use this AI prompt to start niche marketing your skills. List 10 micro niches where I can use my existing skills in your main skill, focused on your target audience to solve their number one frustration around key problem with offers I can test in 1 week. After you run this prompt, drop your favorite idea in the comments so we can refine it together. If
If this
losing your
video
job
sparked
make you
any
wonder if
ideas or
all your
questions,
skills and
drop
experience
them in the
just vanished
comments and
overnight,
let's
or
brainstorm more
worse,
niche
are you
profit
watching
ideas together.
AI and automation
If you
take
want
over while
more ways
people
to
with
niche
half your
market your
talent
skills and
still land
replace your
better
paycheck,
opportunities
hit
faster?
like and
I'm
subscribe
Roy
so
Prim,
this
your
platform's
niche
algorithm
profit
can put your
strategist.
niche growth
This
on
video is
autopilot
based on
and
niche
keep
creation
sending you the
mastery,
latest niche
my
profit
unique
strategy videos
3-book
each
series
week.
on Amazon.com that goes beyond just finding a niche and shows you how to create and improve